Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a card to PayPal, right? It's very easy. Now let's move to our PayPal mobile application here, and once it get open we have to just go to the manage section, which is on the left side, right? I mean right side. And once we are here, we will get this option of bank account and cards. Click on add new. We will get this option of debit and credit card. I will select it. I will get this option of do you want to scan your card, which is very instantly, but I will just enter my card details. And once I do it, I'll just enter my password here, and I have to enter my card number, right? Then the expiry date and the CVV, right? It doesn't matter whether it's a debit card or credit card, it's work exactly fine. And when it's done, your card will show it here like this, and you will able to use your card while making payment or any kind of transaction over PayPal. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.